and this is a drip irrigation project. How it works is, we have made two circuits for this. Circuit 1 controls the water pump which pours water into the wheel over here. Circuit 2 makes the wheel rotate, and what is special about this project is, if I want the water to go to the plants that are at the center, I'll make the wheel speed slow. If I want the water to go to the plants that are a bit away, I'll make the motor speed a bit fast. To control the speed, I've used the DC motor controller. Let's see how this project works. I'll on the motor to demonstrate this to you. As you can see, the motor is spinning slowly, but I'll increase the speed now. I can make it slow again. So slow speed is for watering the plants near the center, fast for watering the plants away from the center. Let's on the water pump and see what happens. So I'm going to on the water pump now. As you can see, water is going to the plants near. I can reduce the speed or I can increase the motor speed. And that is how the project works. Thank you.